This is for Makai chura. Oh, it's heavy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make Kinchu Byashu. Makai ko Byashu. Kinchu means Makai, Mej, Byashu means Murai, I think. I don't know the English name, but we said Kinchu Byashu, no? So yeah, my sister-in-law, she already lit the fire. Now we are waiting. I'm waiting for her. My brother is also here, but right now he don't want to come in the front of camera, so I'm not going to show him. My sister-in-law, she's coming, so I'm going to help them. Ke garnu bhako? He's going to give. He's going to feed pigs now. Yeah, we have pigs also. We have goat also. We have cow. So we are going to use this to make Kinchu Byashu. This is called This is thompyu. So yeah, this is made of tiko bark, no? Tiko not bark, tiko trunk. Here karai mein this makai, we are going to fry it. Yeah, fry it. After that, we'll put it there and we'll beat it. And your Kinchu Byashu will be ready. Now we are going to fry it. I think she's going to put some ash also. Khai uyo khorani halनुहुन्छ हैन? थो त सबै मरेछ बिचारा. This is how we take out all dust. She will do again. So we are going to put it here, this makai. I'll just keep it here. We are going to store it here. राम्रो पैसा? बगानले छेसम्म चलिहाल्नु हैन? My eldest brother, Mr. Karma Sonam Ringchen Kaji Bhutia. It's so hot now, I couldn't keep my hair open. I'm already sweating. So yeah, actually this one is my dad's favorite, okay? That's why my sister-in-law is making it now. and everyone else, no? My grandfather, my uncle, Akwamchung and all. Yeah. But today they can't eat because every one of them, they went to monastery. They can eat tomorrow. And I call Youngzam, okay, because I'm not helping them. I'm just taking videos. She said, I'm making ice cream. I'll come later. I just said, okay. But what else I can do? No, it's my problem. This is what happens when you don't put thau. Thau means ash. This, my brother, he didn't put, no. She went to washroom and he didn't put that ash. So it's turning black in color. Sun chup gaya badal ka andar mein. Now it's windy. It's nice. Weather is getting nice. And this is how my home, it looks from this side. So yeah, before we used to have old house here, okay, before this building, no. Our kitchen also, it was here and there, but ever since this building, we have kitchen down there. Iska andar mein, no. And this one, जहाँ पे हम लोग बर्तन धोता है. And yeah, this is my, not my, हाम्रो आगे सोनामको घर. I'm just staying here. I'm not even paying anything. Just kidding. So yeah, वहाँ पे road. This is how it looks. Bamboo. We used to have so many bamboos, no? Most of, I don't know what they did with that. Yeah, my basti. So hard, yeah. So this Kinchu Byashu, no, if you have strong teeth, then you can eat just like this. It's a bit hard, okay, but my dad and all, no, they eat it with tea, okay. They will put it in tea and after that they will soak it and after that they will eat it. So yeah, this pimple is distracting, yeah. Not good to pump, no. Yeah, it's, I think for 2 months now I didn't get any pimples, okay. Now I'm getting it. So today only 3 of us are at home, okay. My dad, he went to monastery. Now today is Chichenga, and my dad, he usually go to monastery 4 times in a month. It's Chege, Chichutam, Chichenga and Namga. It's date 8, date 10, date 15 and date 30, okay. Not of English calendar, okay, it's of Tibetan calendar. So yeah, today is Chichenga, and today in the morning he will take, as soon as he will reach Numpano, he will take oath, okay. He will eat only once in a day. That also I think he already ate it. It's past 10, no. And yeah, after that he won't eat anything. Like he can drink this one, milk and all. Later on at night he will drink milk and he will sleep. So yeah, it's like that. My sister-in-law, she's not letting me to do it because मैले पोखायो. My sister-in-law, she planted this tomato. अच्छे से आ रहा है. There we have this one. That one is saag, no, lettuce. Here's some flower, some tree. And there is Dalle Khorsani this one again. She planted Dalle Khorsani there, no? My sister-in-law. So yeah, today is laundry day. My dad got laundry specially. This is how my home it looks from this side. Buro, he came to my home, but now his name is not Buro, okay?
Oh, it's okay now. Stop, please stop.
His name is Young, no, okay? Because his mother, she was getting angry, no? We called him Buro. Buro means old, okay? And he started acting like old man, no? So now we are going to change his name. His name is Young now. Oh, finally Youngzam is here. Oh my goodness. They started playing football last year here, and this year they are playing cricket. And this one, racket and volleyball. But I can't say anything, no. They are growing up, they need to play to grow up. Ice cream bhai tapai kanta?
बनाउँदैछ हान्छु र मैले बनाएको थिएँ कि 5 स्टारको डेली ग्राम
के को बनाउनु भयो रे
5 स्टार
आइबम्बु खै
आइ बम्बु भर्खर आएर नहेर केस पात्नु त सानो अनि नहुने अरे के अन्त फेरि साथी बस्नु छिटो छिटो
She came to take videos. I called her long time ago. Nice singer. He can sing well, but don't tell him.
यस्तो मिठो
गन्ध आयो
क्या मिठो
Okay.
क्या सफ्ट
हात भएको छैन साझै
यतिखेर मजा आउँछ नि सफ्ट क्या हात त सफ्ट
Let me try it.
बढिया छ है कस्तो लाग्यो त तिम्रो त दाँत मर्किन्छ होला
त्यो लाग्यो त छैन
Ai मेरो नाकको टुप्पो पिम्पल छ छैन
मजा
मेरो आएको थियो यहाँ आएको थियो पहिला
म के लाग्यो
कालो होला नि अहिले
ए
Nice. Very nice, Machi. Tapos dami. Ah, ako na bolge. Pokyo.
हातले हाल्नु त
भयो त
बस अब बेसी खानु हुँदैन
Let's take care of my sister-in-law because she won't let me do the work because I don't know how to do. हाल्दिनु न
जपरा दुख्दछ है दुख्यो
पहिले त चामल भित्र मर्दा आउँछ है
जाउ मजाले दुख्दछ नि हो बिर्को खानु
मुई कौन के मर्ची She won't let me do it, yeah?
सक्दैन नि त तपाईँले हातको भित्र
Such a nice sister-in-law. She herself is sweating so much. Kawat jere mo.
का बुढी देख्दा छ
बुढी के को कुरा गर्छु? Very beautiful young lady. Ambo एक बताउ न त सही.
हातमा पक्रेर यसो खाइ पठाउनु
थाके बस्ने कम्बर दुख्छ परेछ. म बिस्तारै त गर्दिन्छु सिकाउनु न अन्त कसले गर्नु.
त्यो चाहिँ मापाले पूजा नाम ठिक
ल
He said he don't want milk tea, so I make him black tea.
अन्त हराउन आफू एक्लै सक्नुहुन्छ
न
एक्लै सक्नुहुन्छ अन्त
हैन त्यो
अलिकति बिसु लगाइ न. This is how you eat kinchu byashu. है मलाई किन्छु त लाइक मकै मेजो होइन कोनो होइन ब्यासुलाई के भन्नु मुडै
मुरी
मुडी
अब हिन्दी ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा त मुरी भन्छ नि मुरै त हामी अब भन्नु नजानेर नेपालीमा चुरा हो हिन्दीमा मुरी हो हैन इन्डियामा ब्यासु हो इङ्ग्लिसमा आई डोन्ट नो
अझै गेरम बाक छैन ल
यो लानु भएको अब के भन्नु
सम्ते गोटी जे
माछीले पठाएको भन्नु या
सम्ते गोटी जे
म यो पुरै किन आउँछु ल त्यसो भने लेट्स गो 아니요. 다른 거 아니요. 다른 게. Nobody is here. Let me go and check. Huh? No. Ice cream. Okay. 라? 간디. 맞지요? 농캐 맞지라? 어제도 아기 설명한 이거도 농사도 맞지라? 아니 다다 기회나 다다런지. बगन्नै चराए त उता त यहाँ त नहीं पता अभी लेके आया हम
Here in my bedroom.
Let's go. Bye bye. Last. It's finished. Over. My sister-in-law, she still wants to do some more, but I don't have energy to help her out now. I don't know. Yeah. Woo, this one is last one. As we are about to finish, weather is getting gloomy and it started thundering also. Yeah, it's getting darker, yeah. I know, Garibe. Too fast, sister-in-law. It's raining now. Such way. It's raining.
Sakyo.
Oh. God was waiting for us to finish. As soon as we finished, started raining.
म थाके त्यही पानी पर्छ भनेर सबै गर्नु हो
So that is how we make our Kinchu Byashu / Makai chura. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for sticking till the end. And if you like my videos, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't subscribe also, it's fine, no hard feelings, it's your wish. But if you do subscribe, then I'll be very grateful, you know. Yeah. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.